Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss a logical DAX function. We earlier created a video on if DAX function, and today we will discuss nested if. So what nested if? Nested if basically it's a logical DAX function, and if you have more than one conditions, then you have to use multiple if functions. And when you use multiple if function in one query, then it is called nested if. Because as you've seen that in when we use if function, we can only define one condition. And what if we require to do more than one condition? So that in that condition, nested if comes into the picture. So let's see how it is going to work. So without wasting the time, we let's move to our data model. So you can see that we have a data set and we have multiple columns here. So we will execute a nested in function in my profit. As you see that in my profit there is a negative value and zero value, and you can see that maximum value we have beyond 1000. So what we will do, we will create a new column that will define the condition of our profit. So let's see how we are going to add a new column. So click table tools, new column. Okay, sorry, click on new column, type if, because it's a nested if, so we have to use if functions on multiple times. Okay, so we have to I'm writing a condition here. Select profit. If profit is less than or equal to 0, so it will cover our 0 values and all the negative values. Then what we want, very bad. You can type anything as your requirement. Okay, and then comma. Again we have to write a different condition. So write again if condition. If profit is less than or equal to, let's say I'm taking a rough value here, 8000. Okay, then I'm giving a condition here, good. So if the profit is less than or equal to 8000, then it will return a value of good. It comes under the condition of good. And let's say I'm giving a one condition again here. So type if profit is less than or equal to 1200. Okay, so I'm giving here very good. Else all the upper values from 1201 to what the value this data set is having, I'm giving outstanding. You can write as many as you required if functions here based on your requirement. So don't worry about that, because of I'm writing only 3 if functions here. Click enter. Yeah, our functions is working. So let's check one by one. So firstly start with very bad. As you see that in very bad we have a value of profit is equal to 0, less than or equal to 0. So let's go to our profit. So you can see that we have all the negative values in this function and 0 as well. So this is okay from our side. Let's check another field. Good. In good, as you see that we have a condition less than or equal to 800, means below the value of 800 comes under the category of good. So let's check our profit. So you can say that there are the values above 0 and the maximum value, it is 798. It is below 800. Okay, let's check another field. That is very good. And in very good, as you see that we have the condition less than or equal to 1200. So the value which is fall below the 1200 comes under the category of very good, but above 800, because we already make a condition, two conditions here. So it falls, very good falls between 801 to 1200. You can see that it's start 822 1191. It is the between 800 and 1200, and rest the other values above to 1200 comes under the category of outstanding. Let's see. You can see that it start from 1200 2.1 and the maximum value is 73199. I hope you understand this functions. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe my channel for these useful videos. Thank you so much for watching my video.